roads. Most flood deaths. The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a flash flood warning for eastern Ellis County in north central Texas, Navarro County in north central Texas, southeastern Hill County in central Texas, McLennan County in central Texas, until 1:45 p.m. At 11:21 a.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. 1 to 2 inches of rain have already fallen. This rainfall will lead to excessive water runoff and cause flash flooding. Low-lying areas are most vulnerable to rapidly rising water. Some low water crossings may flood and become impassable. Some locations that will experience flooding include Waco, Corsicana, Ennis, Hewitt, Robinson, Belmead, Woodway, Lacey Lakeview, McGregor, West, Mart, Beverly Hills, Lorena, Kierans, Bruce Villetti, Hubbard, Woody, Valley Mills, Riesel, and Trinidad. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Please report flooding to your